So this is what the external mic sounds like on RushFPV VTXs. This is how it's mounted. We've had a few crashes, so you'll see bits of leaf and stuff on the camera.
Time chasing a dream, fighting for something that's never what it seemed. Would we be better off just letting go, watching everything fall just so we know we've been wasting time. For something that's never what it seemed. Would we be better off just letting go, watching everything fall just so we know we've been wasting time. For something that's never what it seemed. Would we be better off just letting go, watching everything fall just so we know we've been wasting time.
I see.